we're doing next. I don't know. We don't call it a project. We call it a...
Look at my saw.
Oh.
How could you... That's a knife miter saw that I can't use.
So this is our next... What do we call it? A DIY clean out.
I don't know.
We don't even know where to start, but we want to make it nice instead of working out here all the time, where we can actually do some projects in there somehow. Somehow we'll get this done, but that's what we're doing. Stay tuned. Bye, Ed.
I gotta go slow because I don't want to drop nothing.
Okay. Ed's putting this pegboard that we got, geez, probably like, what, a year ago? Off of Facebook Marketplace for free. Actually, we got a book, like a, what is that, a bookcase shelf, really heavy one, and I guess the guy had this out there and wanted us to take it too, so we figured we'd eventually use it. So this, right, Ed?
Didn't fit.
Does it fit? Uh-oh. We're gonna still have all of that back there to go. He's gonna go through all his toolboxes because he worked for a cat dealership for years, so he's got a lot of tools that, since he retired, he will need. We did get this corner cleared out too, Sam. He still has all of that to go through. He's going to go through his cabinets and all of this. Oh,
God, what a mess.
this is a man's. That's a hoarder, right, Ed? But he's letting go good. He's got. He's been taking and throwing stuff in the back of the truck.
Good stuff.
Yeah. Back of the truck to take to the dumps when we're all done. All right, moving on. So Ed made himself a little shelf right along there to put stuff on, and then our old table that our neighbors gave us a long time ago is what we're gonna put there. We're using what we have, so this is it's you know what we have. He's got the pegboard up over there.
That's not
and fix the shelf. He needs to grow longer arms. He said he won't be able to reach his stuff. I think he might be okay.
Lose part of my table.
That's all right. Okay. This is the next buy. It's throwing, let's see. Woo! Some old helmets away. We're still going through all of this. Some trash. Some to give to our son-in-law. I did get this toolbox cleaned out. He's getting rid of this toolbox and he's going to go through it. And all of that down there. We're going to take this cabinet out. Excuse my ring alarm going off. And then he's got all of that to go through still. Up there, we're gonna just, I guess, demo that, load it up to go to the dumps. He's gonna keep this one. He has to go through it. But it's quite a chore, this little shop. Amazing what he had in it. And then all of this will be cleaned off. We will be working on that little vintage trailer a little bit. I think we're gonna sell it. We never started working on this house, so we just never finished working on that. All right, back to work. Are you almost done?
Getting close. I'm getting close to the back wall. When I get to the back wall, and I'm gonna wash everything out.
Yeah.
Turn the hose on it.
Right.
It is dusty.
It's bad. See, what is this called, this rooftop bed? Corrugated? I don't...
Yeah.
Roofing. And you can see where the light's coming through. It's just... Dust really comes through here. I think we're gonna use... What's it called, Ed? Spray foam insulation. Hopefully to try to plug some of those off. Okay, I think we're done, aren't we, Ed?
I hope so.
It's been done for, we had to stop because we had other projects, but we did get it cleaned out, and we've actually used it since. Much more organized, even though probably to you guys it don't look like it. Made a huge haul to the dumps.
If I can find this stuff in here, then it's
It's
pretty
good to go,
organized.
but it's a lot more room. Just shows you, if you put your mind to it, as bad as this was, we still got it cleaned out, and hopefully this motivates you guys just to get started. We did get it done. It's getting warmer here in Bakersfield, so we're kind of glad. What he did is he got more of his stuff up on the pegboard. We added a wider shelf here. He cleaned out his toolbox. My son-in-law is excited about that because he made a big haul with a lot of stuff. And
Got rid of 2 toolboxes.
he gave the toolboxes to a couple of them to my son-in-law because he didn't need them anymore. He's, you know, since he retired. But this is, we just pull this out when he's using this saw. And this over here is a lot that he pulls out when he's using these, but for now they're just over here on the table. We never
Storage.
table storage. There is a door right here. We never use it. It's just we locked it up and we needed the wall space. And over here he put
Planer.
that planer, which has its cart.
Table saw.
Table saw he uses quite a bit. Over here we added this pegboard and another shelf up here that was drooping down ready to break. So it's a lot better. Shop vac out of the way. Air compressor out of the way. And then that over there is a welder he has covered up. I think that's what that is, right?
So that's the generator
Yeah.
for the.
Oh, generator for our fifth wheel. I don't know why I thought it was the welder bit.
My welder.
And he has all of his batteries here hung on the wall. Some of theirs, but plugged in so he can keep those charged. We're always working on something. And then what he did with this table here is the table he works a lot on is he added these wheels. So, in fact, we were just using these boards is because this table isn't exactly flat, so he keeps those on there. But this way, he just lifts it up, and that way wheels it. And he put a bar on there.
Gives me
And
more
when we need it out of the way completely, he just wheels it inside. So it's very handy, which clears off this patio, if that's what you
I
want
don't
to.
have to worry about any wheel brakes, but it's on
Yeah.
all four legs.
Yeah, so that we didn't want to put 4 on there because it would definitely move around on it. But and then this little vintage trailer, we're gonna go ahead and sell it and let it go. We have gotten a lot done on it, but I am telling you, we have not touched that, worked on it in
8 years.
I would say 8 years. So we could use the extra room there. Our fifth wheel's parked, as you can see, right over there. And that way he wants to cut some of this awning, I don't know, I guess cover,
Move the fifth wheel back.
once we sell the vintage trailer, and that way he could bring the fifth wheel back a little further because obviously we can't fit it under there. But that will complete this big old chore, and hope that gives you some motivation if it looks, because let me tell you, when we opened this we knew it was bad. We just started
When you couldn't walk in 1 foot.
we just started in a corner and worked our way back. So we're previously,
It was 2
Yeah.
pickup truckloads
yeah, it was pretty bad.
to the recycling.
But it was something we just put off and put off and put off, and he finally started letting go of stuff that really
I'm a
isn't
hoarder.
needing. Even these right here, because he did work on big equipment. He worked for a Caterpillar dealership, and these are extremely expensive, and
They're gonna go.
he's going to sell those online. We have sold some stuff online. Like I said, hopefully this motivates you guys to get it done. It can be done. If old people like us can do it, you can do it too. All right, this is Debbie and Ed with I'd Rather Be Camping. Thanks.